Hi, I'm Bob. I'm a 24 years old ADHD patient, and I want a website to track my daily diet to check if it's healthy for me, ADHD patient. And here in this website, it can provide many information about the ADHD patient. For example, I click here, it will take me to the Wikipedia page, and I will return to the home page. And here I can see many food which is healthy for the ADHD patient. And then I'll go to nutrition calculator. Like I start. Today I have eaten some beans. Yeah, I search it. Yeah, I have eaten 2 cups today. Also, today I have eaten hot pot. I set it by myself. And I click to add. Here I can see today I have eaten what I have eaten today and is the total consumption and my nutrient ratio comparing to the standard ADHD patient nutrition ratio. And I have eaten too much carbs and not enough fats. Tomorrow I will change my daily diet. That's all.